Are you destined to be with someone, guided by the universe itself? Imagine this: every glance, every smile, and every conversation with that special someone feels like a chapter written in the stars. It's as if a gentle nudge from the cosmos is guiding your heart towards a bond that defies mere coincidence. The universe, in its vast and mystical wisdom, speaks to us not in words, but through signs, subtle yet profound indicators that reveal who we are meant to share our journey with. These signals, though hidden in plain sight, carry the essence of destiny, urging us to notice and decipher the messages woven into the fabric of our daily lives. They are not mere coincidences, but are celestial signposts directing us toward genuine connections that resonate with our soul's deepest desires. If you're curious whether you're on the right track to finding your soulmate, or if the person currently in your life is the one chosen by the stars, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll unveil 8 signs the universe wants you to be with someone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on this cosmic journey of discovery. Let's dive into the universe's signs and find out if you're meant to be with that special someone. Number 1. A powerful intuition. Intuition feels like a gut feeling and acts like a personal compass that helps us navigate the complex world of human connections. It's a silent language of the soul that shares truths our minds can't always grasp. In matters of love and relationships, these intuitive hints are priceless. They aren't just guesses. They are deep insights born from our life experiences and innermost wishes. Imagine you're strolling through life's garden, and suddenly, a warm, sure feeling sweeps over you. It's not just a brief emotion, it's a deep sense that something significant is coming. This unexplainable feeling is your intuition telling you that love might be just ahead. It's like a soft nudge at your heart, directing you towards someone who might become a big part of your life. But intuition isn't just about heralding new starts, it's also a protective force. Picture being with someone where, despite everything seeming perfect, you feel an uneasy stir inside. This discomfort is your intuition speaking up, warning you to be cautious. It's vital to heed these feelings as they act like guardian angels, shielding our emotional well-being. When you're with someone who makes you feel uplifted, valued, and understood, that's a sign to pay attention to. It might be the universe pointing you towards someone who truly matches your soul. Conversely, if you find yourself constantly feeling belittled, insignificant, or unhappy around someone, your intuition is probably ringing an alarm. This is a strong signal to reconsider their place in your life and maybe take some space. Respecting these feelings and trusting them can lead you towards healthier, more satisfying relationships. Number 2. They appear in your dreams. Dreams, the nightly journeys our minds take, are more than just scattered thoughts of a sleeping brain. They're a space where the universe can share secrets and hint at what's to come. Imagine walking through a foggy forest of enigmas, where shadows and light blend, crafting scenes both strange and familiar. Imagine finding yourself in a dream, meandering through various scenes and meeting different faces, some familiar, others not. Among these faces, there's one that keeps appearing, a person you've never met while awake. This recurring figure in your dreams might be more than mere imagination. It could be the universe sketching out someone meant to enter your life, perhaps a soulmate or twin flame. It's as if your subconscious is crafting a vision of a future love, a prelude to a meeting arranged by cosmic forces. The allure of dreams lies in their mystery. Dreams involving marriage, family, or deep emotional bonds are especially meaningful. These aren't just reflections of your hopes or fears. They might be signs from the universe pointing you toward a crucial encounter in your life. These dreams can act like a beacon, illuminating the way to a significant meeting. This link between dreams and the universe's messages digs deep into the layers of our psyche. While science may still grapple with understanding this connection, numerous cultures and spiritual traditions have long believed that dreams serve as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. They offer a space where the universe can directly communicate with our inner selves, cutting through the clutter and distractions of our waking life. So, the next time you dream about someone special, or envision a future filled with love and companionship, take note. These dreams may be more than just nocturnal imaginings. They could be the universe's way of readying you for a life-altering encounter, a mystical prompt steering you toward a destiny that's written in the stars. Number 3. Love surrounds you everywhere. When love blossoms all around you, it's not merely a coincidence. It could be the universe's way of hinting that your time for love is near. Picture yourself walking through life with a soundtrack of love songs, each melody and lyric resonating with the desires of your heart. These recurring songs are not just random tunes, they are musical messages from the cosmos, suggesting that love is on its way to you. Consider the moments when you see friends pairing up, engagements being celebrated, or even simple acts of affection between couples on an ordinary day. These instances of love that you keep witnessing are not mere chances. They could be reflecting your deepest desires, showing you what your heart truly longs for. But it goes beyond simple reflection. This recurring theme of love around you might be the universe's way of readying you for your own romantic journey. It's as though the world is offering you a preview of what's to come, a reminder that love is not just a distant fantasy, but a present reality waiting for you to embrace it. In moments like these, keeping an open heart is crucial. It's natural to feel a hint of envy or frustration if your own love story hasn't yet begun. Instead of seeing these signs with annoyance, embrace them as affirmations that your time is near. Every loving glance you see, every tale of companionship you hear, is a gentle push from the universe telling you that your turn is approaching. Remember, love follows its own schedule. It's not about hurrying to find someone. It's about being open and prepared when the right person appears. The love happening around you serves as a reminder to stay hopeful and receptive. It's an invitation from the universe to immerse yourself in the energy of love, secure in the knowledge that everything unfolds in its right time. So instead of doubting or resisting, let these signs infuse you with excitement and joy as they signal the upcoming arrival of your own love story just around the corner. Number 4. You are willing to take chances. The universe often signals impending change through subtle shifts in our energy and behavior. A key sign that you might be nearing a significant connection is a newfound readiness to take risks, particularly in relationships. This change in attitude often reflects the energies working for your benefit. Think about how you feel in the company of certain individuals. If you find yourself unusually comfortable, more open to revealing your true self, and eager to explore new experiences with someone, these are important signs. This comfort isn't just about feeling relaxed. It's a deeper sense of alignment, a signal from the universe that you might be with a good match. This shift towards openness and risk-taking in relationships is more than a mere change in perspective. It mirrors an increase in confidence and trust. When you're with someone who makes you feel secure and valued, you naturally begin to lower your guard. You become more open to sharing your thoughts, dreams, and even vulnerabilities. This level of comfort and trust is crucial for developing deep, meaningful connections. Additionally, this boost in confidence doesn't just influence your interactions with this particular person. It extends across other aspects of your life, fostering a positive cycle of growth and self-assurance. It's as though the universe is enhancing your inner strength, better preparing you for a relationship built on mutual trust and understanding. This increased self-confidence not only makes you more attractive as a partner, but also empowers you to contribute more effectively to a healthy, balanced relationship. Number 5. You keep stumbling upon them. In life's intricate tapestry, what we often consider coincidences might actually be the universe's way of subtly orchestrating meetings between souls destined to connect. If you frequently cross paths with the same person, it might be more than mere chance. These encounters could be signs from the universe pointing you towards someone important. Imagine this. As you go about your daily life, you keep running into the same person. It could be at the gym, your favorite cafe, or even in unexpected places. The first few times might seem random, but as these encounters increase, they begin to suggest something more intentional. It's as if the universe is creating opportunities for your paths to intersect, hinting at a potential connection that's waiting to unfold. Reflect on where these encounters occur. Are they places you frequent because they mirror your interests and preferences? Perhaps you notice this person engrossed in a book you love or enjoying a drink that's also your favorite. These small details, while seemingly minor, are threads in a larger design, suggesting shared interests and implies a more profound compatibility. Indeed, it's equally important to be aware of when these coincidental encounters start to fade or don't align with your expectations. Such changes could signal from the universe that the person might not have a significant role in your life narrative. The absence of these meetings can be as revealing as their frequency. These recurring coincidences serve as the universe's way of drawing your attention to someone who could potentially complete your other half. It's like a cosmic whisper, urging you to notice these unusual and fortunate encounters. The universe often offers guidance subtly, but by remaining observant and open to what's unfolding, you might discover that these serendipitous moments are leading you towards a remarkable connection, one that was destined in the stars. Number 6. You have no fear of loneliness. Finding comfort in solitude can indeed mark a profound shift in your path toward love, especially after a string of difficult relationships. Arriving at a place where being alone feels better than being with someone isn't a sign of giving up, but a powerful indication from the universe that you are getting in touch with your true self. Having weathered the storms of previous relationships, finding peace in solitude means you're no longer swayed by societal pressures to couple up or fears of being alone. This comfort in your own company isn't a barrier to love. Rather, it's a signal from the universe that you're prepared for a relationship that truly aligns with your soul. In this confident state of solitude, something extraordinary occurs. When you eventually meet someone special, the joy of their company exceeds the comfort of solitude. This connection isn't about sacrificing your independence or identity. It's about finding a relationship that enriches your life in ways you hadn't envisioned. With this person, you don't have to compromise your peace or solitude. Instead, they enhance it, adding a new layer of happiness to your life. The unpredictability of this process is part of its beauty. Often, the most significant connections emerge unexpectedly. When you are content with being alone, you radiate an energy of self-sufficiency and completeness. This energy is both attractive and powerful, drawing the right person to you at the perfect time. The universe guides you through a journey of self-discovery, leading you to a place where you can embrace love without fear or desperation. Moving from actively seeking love to being open and ready for it when it arrives marks a pivotal milestone. It signifies that you're not merely looking for someone to fill a void, but are seeking a partner who can join you on the wonderful journey of life. Someone who adds to your happiness without detracting from the joy you have found in solitude. This shift indicates a readiness for a relationship that complements and enhances your life, reflecting a mature approach to both love and personal fulfillment. Number 7. You've embraced self-love. The process of developing self-love changes us profoundly, and it crucially shapes how we connect with others. When you start to truly value and cherish yourself, you lay the groundwork for healthier and more satisfying relationships. It goes beyond simple self-care or confidence. It's about acknowledging your worth and embracing the belief that you deserve a love that respects and mirrors this worth. Loving yourself creates a solid foundation of strength and assurance. You stop looking for someone to complete you and start looking for someone who complements the wholeness you've already achieved. This change in perspective is profound. Recognizing your self-worth means you won't settle for relationships that fail to honor your value. Understanding that being alone is preferable to being with someone who doesn't fully appreciate you acts like a protective shield for your heart, allowing only the right kind of love to come through. This self-love acts as a powerful magnet for positive experiences and connections. The universe is attuned to the energy you project. By prioritizing self-love, you signal to the universe that you are ready for a love that reflects this level of respect and adoration. This acts as an invitation for genuine, nurturing relationships that resonate with your new appreciation for yourself. In essence, self-love serves as the universe's prerequisite for bringing you the love you truly deserve. It's comparable to preparing the soil for a beautiful garden. Only when the soil is well nourished and cared for can it sustain vibrant, blooming flowers. Similarly, by nurturing your own heart with self-love, you cultivate the perfect conditions for a meaningful and enduring romantic relationship to flourish. Number 8. You can't get them out of your mind. When someone consistently occupies your thoughts, it's more than just a fleeting interest. It signifies that they've captured a significant place in your heart and mind. The universe often interweaves someone's essence into your daily life through subtle yet poignant reminders. A specific song, a familiar scent, or scenes from a movie can unexpectedly evoke memories of this person. strengthening a connection that transcends mere physical presence. These reminders serve as gentle nudges from the universe, prompting you to recognize and delve into the depths of your feelings. This phenomenon becomes increasingly compelling as you continue to encounter these triggers. With each reminder, your thoughts are drawn back to this special someone. It's as if the universe is crafting their portrait on the canvas of your everyday experiences, ensuring their impact is felt even in their absence. If you find yourself unable to go a day without their memory crossing your mind, it's a sign that it's time for introspection. Consider journaling your thoughts and feelings. Writing them down is a powerful tool for self-reflection, helping to clarify and solidify your emotions, giving you a clearer understanding of what this person truly means to you. As you document your feelings, ponder some deep questions. Do I feel acknowledged and understood by this individual? This question explores the depth of your emotional connection. How would my life and feelings change if they weren't around? This helps gauge the significance of their presence. Do I like the person I become when I'm around them? This is vital, as the best relationships are those that let us be our truest selves. Reflecting on these questions can lead you to a deeper understanding of your feelings. It's about peeling back the layers of your emotions to determine whether your constant thoughts of them represent a fleeting crush or something more substantial and lasting. As we journey through the celestial realms of connection and intimacy in today's episode, it's clear that the universe might be orchestrating more than we sometimes acknowledge. Every glance, smile, and conversation with that special someone might very well be chapters of a cosmic script, written just for you. The signs are all around us, from the intuitive nudges to the dreams that hint at deeper bonds, urging us to decipher the messages woven into our everyday experiences. These aren't mere coincidences. They are celestial signposts guiding us toward connections that resonate deeply with our soul's desires. Are you noticing any of these signs in your life? Could they be pointing you towards a future filled with love and companionship? If these thoughts resonate with you, or if you've experienced any of the 8 signs we discussed today, don't hesitate to share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear how the universe is speaking to you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it insightful, leave a comment with your thoughts, and watch the recommended videos on screen to continue exploring the cosmic pathways of love and connection. Subscribe and hit that notification bell to join us on this mystical journey, and let the universe guide you to where your heart truly belongs. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay open to the signs. Your soulmate might just be a cosmic whisper away.